Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video we're going to be removing the EGR valve right there. Here's the electrical connection that goes to the top of it. Just push down in the middle and pull out. Then you're going to want to get some two fasteners removed right down here. 1, 2. I think they're 10 millimeter. I'm not sure. I have to use 10 millimeter socket on them, but there are some one vacuum tube here. I'm going to use a pair of pliers or my fingers. Might be able to use my fingers to wiggle that out. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. So we're going to go over here to our tool section, and I would have that glove on, but I am holding the camera because I am awaiting delivery of a tripod. Alright. I want to get that off there. That little, see that on the vacuum line? It's got a squeeze. We'll try to do it with a finger squeeze. Oh, I'm not going to be able to. Well, I was able to twist it. So get that off there. And then once you get that vacuum hose off, I pulled the vacuum hose off. 12 millimeter is what socket you'll be using. So let me turn this to counterclockwise. Alright, once you loosen that up, there we go. That's one of them. And then just take the second one out too. Alright. Coming along. There we go. Almost got it out of there. Might want to catch it before it falls. Alright. It's got one vacuum hose attached to it. So remove it. Alright, remove it. And there you are. So you got your EGR Exhaust Gas Recirculation component, valve or whatever, EGR valve. So there it is in all its glory. You can buy a new one, and then installation is reversal of removal. So you put it back on there, button it back up, as in put the vacuum tubes back, vacuum lines back on, put new vacuum lines if you have to, if the old ones just from being old, put the new vacuum lines on, and then connect your electrical connections back up and bolt it back in, and that's how you replace it. It's on the front right part of your engine bay of your vehicle. It's a 97 Ford Aspire. So that's how you remove it, and that's how you install it. That's how you replace it. So there you go. This has been another Matthumanpizza video. Have a great and wonderful day. Alright, some bonus video here. How to remove your engine coolant reservoir. Take your battery out all the way, and all you really have to do is pull up on it really hard. Just pull up. I already loosened it, so, but you just pull it straight up and out. It just attaches right there on the battery bay support bracket. So it just slides in two grooves. It just slides in those grooves right there, and then you just take off the vacuum hose, or take off the vacuum hoses up here. That's just a overflow, and that's how you remove that. And this cap. Okay, it's attached to the cap. That's cool. Alright, so that's how you remove it. And you can take that out like so. And then, that's really filthy. To install it, you just slide it back on there. And once you get it slid, oh, it's going to be a pain. Anyway, once you get it slid back on there and the vacuum hose back on, that's how you install it. I want to get this thing back on here. Wonder what I'm doing wrong here. Oh, okay, it goes in those grooves. You start from the bottom, and it slides right right in. Alright, that's how you do that. Alright, hope you enjoyed that. Oh man, have a great and wonderful day.